Insane 2022 Tesla prediction. Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. Tesla stock has been on fire for a long time. Its share price rose by 695% during 2020, making Elon Musk the richest person in the world. The Tesla Motors stock value is included on major U.S. indices, such as NASDAQ and the S&P 500 index. And after a period of consolidation, which started at the beginning of 2021, the company appears to be on course to strengthen its positions. Tesla is the undisputed leader in electric vehicles anyway. It remains to be seen whether this will still be the case in the coming years in a market where many other brands are also strongly producing their own EVs. One thing is certain. Electric cars are the future and a fast-growing segment of car sales, which is evident from the Tesla share forecast. The article covers the following subjects. The ticker symbol TSLA stock is slated to become the most talked about stock of 2021 and perhaps also in 2022. TSLA is probably the most pressed symbol on any investment platform. The Tesla share price forecast has risen so much that some investors are afraid of heights. Is this right? Or are they just missing an opportunity out of 1,000? We'll take a look at it in this Tesla stock price prediction and financial outlook. A short history of Tesla. Tesla first went public in 2010, offering its 13.3 million Tesla shares for just $17 per share. Now here's the fact. At the beginning of November 2021, Tesla's stock was valued at over $1,000. This represents an increase of more than 6,300% in a short period of time of just 10 years. With a market cap of approximately $1 trillion, there is no doubt that Tesla is the world's largest automaker by value, even outperforming giant premium brands such as Toyota and General Motors. While the entire world suffered from the economic effects of COVID-19, Tesla reported a sharp 71% increase in vehicle production in the fourth quarter compared to the same quarter last year. Most people thought Tesla's goal of producing 500,000 vehicles by 2020 was nearly impossible. The California carmaker almost managed to reach its target by producing 499,647 cars by 2020. The shares reached an all-time high on November 4, 2021, when the closing price was $1,229.91. The current price of Tesla stock is $128.00, and the company keeps doing everything possible to push its stock price. For example, Tesla plans to grow aggressively, expanding deliveries by more than 50% each year over a multi-year horizon. Production facilities in Berlin and Texas, expected to be open by the end of 2021 or at the beginning of 2022, are likely to boost near-term growth. The release of the Cybertruck, Tesla's new pickup, is expected by December 31, 2022. This may support the stock's value in the long run. Tesla keeps showing its resilience to even the most adverse scenarios, thus remaining a very attractive bet for long-term investing. Reasons for this lie in the combination of a robust balance sheet, appealing valuation metrics, a largely untapped total addressable market coupled with a management team that boldly faces challenges while demonstrating its capacity to live up to its promises. Tesla's stock price today. On the chart below you can always track the current price, updated online. Also, it's possible to do technical analysis using various indicators and tools that will save you time. Tesla stock forecast. Price predictions by experts. According to the 12-month price forecast based on opinions of 23 analysts, the average projection is $828.05. Maximum forecast is $1,400, and minimum forecast is $160. As for analyst recommendations, 9 analysts out of 22 still recommend strong buy. 3 analysts are for buy. 8 analysts are not sure about the future price direction and recommend holding stocks. None of the experts gives advice to sell. And 2 analysts are for strong sell. Ryan Brinkman, JP Morgan. Ryan Brinkman at JP Morgan kept the strong sell rating, but raised the price target to $160 from $155. This prediction is very pessimistic for Tesla shares. Patrick Hummel, UBS. Patrick Hummel at UBS is also negative about Tesla's future price. Although he targets a price of $660, it's below the previous forecast of $730. The rating is to hold. Jed Dorsheimer, Canaccord Genuity. Jed Dorshamer at Canaccord Genuity is more optimistic about estimated stock growth. The average price target is set above the previous forecast. The analyst maintains a strong buy rating. Colin Langan, Wells Fargo. Colin Langan at Wells Fargo says to hold the stocks and sees the price higher than he did before, at $860 this year versus $660 before. Dan Levy at Credit Suisse. Dan Levy at Credit Suisse sets the expected price at $830 but says to hold the stocks. Thus, Tesla stocks may be not the best investment. According to a recent Tesla announcement, they sold 241,300 vehicles in the third quarter globally. 627,300 vehicles have been delivered this year so far. As a result, the company beat the record of 499,550 set last year. These sales volumes are up 73% year-over-year and 20% quarter-over-quarter. If we look at Tesla's growth over the past 3 years, we see that sales have grown from $21.46 billion in 2018 to $31.54 billion last year at a 21.1% CAGR, and its deliveries have increased at a compounded annual growth rate of 42.4%. What's more, due to lower comps and higher sales volumes, the company's results have doubled during the first semester of 2021 compared to the same period in 2020. No share rose in value as much in 2020 as Tesla's did. CEO Elon Musk did not do any harm. Thanks to his Tesla shares, he can now call himself the richest man in the world. Of course, Tesla isn't unique, and it also suffers difficulties. Despite the sales growth, their average price declined by 6% as the company had to sell more of the cheaper Models 3 and Y and fewer of the more expensive Models S and X. Another thing that affected the company's fortune is depreciation of Bitcoin that resulted in an impairment charge of $51 million. Tesla stock technical analysis. Let's start a technical analysis of Tesla stocks by examining the monthly prediction chart to determine the general market sentiment. There has been a bullish trend on the Tsla chart since May 2010. Tesla projected growth potential was confirmed by rising trading activity until February last year. Since the spring of 2020, the trading volumes for Tsla stocks began to fall sharply, and the price chart has been showing the sideways since the beginning of 2021. It should be noted that the uptrend line has not been broken out and there are chances for further growth. Hence, we can conclude that the market is currently in a state of uncertainty. At the same time, future Tesla rate decline is as likely as possible growth due to a sharp decline in buyers' activity. A breakout of the blue trend line and the support level around $540 will confirm the future price decline. $900 serves as the strongest resistance level for the bulls. Its breakout will be a very important signal for buyers. Tsla's stock forecast for next 3 months. It is more convenient to make a Tesla stock forecast for the next 3 months on the daily time frame. Let's conduct a more in-depth Tesla analysis. 5 zones can be designated on the technical chart after imposing a grid of Fibonacci channels on the price movement vector and dividing the entire trend life cycle into several conditional phases. Zone 1 is where the local bullish trend starts and ends. Zone 2 and 4 are consolidation phases. Zone 3 is an area of dynamic development. Tesla projected stock price is extremely high here. The price seems to slip through this zone. Zone 5 consists of the overbought zone and bullish trend highs. At the moment, a tension can be observed on the border between the first and second zones. MACD curves are located close to the zero zone, and the angle of their movement is minimal. At the same time, Tesla price history chart shows divergence in relation to the rising price, which indicates a weakening bullish potential. With a high probability, buyers will not be able to stay above $725 and there will be a return to the first zone. Thus, Tesla future value may be stuck in the price range of $650–750. This situation will not last long. Already at the end of November, an exit from the triangle may occur, which can serve as a trigger for larger scale movements. Monthly Tesla price forecast for 2022. To make realistic Tesla stock predictions for the next 12 months, let's study Tesla trend changes and draw projections for each month using Bollinger Bands. In the price chart above, the orange squares depict the projected value of Tsla shares for each period. According to the 3-month forecast, bullish impulse can occur already in November with a transition to the second zone. Until the end of the year, Tsla shares may test the all-time high around $900. The range between $900 and $1,000 is extremely complex from the point of view of market psychology. If the pressure from buyers persists, Consolidation is likely to occur within 5-6 months at the indicated levels. If support from the global trend continues, then in the second quarter the bulls will be ready to break through new highs. There may be an exit from the second zone with a quick transition to the third, which will become a consolidation zone for a new cycle of the bullish trend development. The target of this scenario is in the range of 12.13 US dollars with the implementation period until the end of 2022. This is all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, and if you are new, then don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for the future updates. See you till the next video. Thank you for watching.